Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 AI tokens outside of the top 50. We're going to take a look at Filecoin followed by Fetch, Filecoin, Virtual IP, Injective, GRT, DEXE, THETA, and then ending with Gross at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Hey, yo, bro. Filecoin against USD. We are still in a bearish trend, as in like we're still under the skinny pink line. But I suspect that we could be completing some sort of I'm not too sure if this is going to be an inverse head and shoulders or whether this is going to be a consolidation before the break, right? But Filecoin is again technically still under the skinny pink line, which means that the trend is still largely bearish. So if we were to break above the skinny pink line, I think we will probably head towards like 550 plus minus 550. Hopefully we hang around there, right? This whole thing will look like another kind of a slanted inverse head and shoulders, and then one by one, level by level, you will take out the highs, right? Because lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. All right, lower highs until the low over here, and then you see we almost took this out, very close to taking it out. So I'm like, this could be the end of the downward trend, but technically we're still in a downward trend until we take out this high. Yeah, we're still in a bearish trend. So until we see a clear bullish reversal chart pattern, we are going to be very careful about Filecoin. Fetch against USD. So Fetch, USDT. Yo, bro. Fetch is still, still under the skinny pink line, right? Largely still in a bearish trend. Sure, there's a strong rally here. Will this strong rally result in like, are we going to get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kind of move? Or are we going to hit the skinny pink line? And after that, we come back down for Fetch? Nothing much for us to work with at the moment. We did Filecoin, so we're going to move on with Virtual. So for Virtual, we are strong rally. So I suspect that Virtual might be doing something like this. Hey, there could be a squeeze. There could be a squeeze. I can count 5 waves though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the end may not be too far away for Virtual. Should Virtual come back all the way down? Oh, this is bad. This will be very bad. This whole thing could become a descending triangle as we drop lower. But Virtual has already corrected like 90%, right? From the very high of $5 down to like less than 50 cents, right? And now we are rallying all the way back to $2. Could we still rally higher? Yeah, sure, of course. But I still think that there will be a consolidation before a proper break towards the upside comes on for Virtual. IP against USD. IP is still, we're still expecting IP to hit 265. At what point will we consider 265 to be invalidated? The moment we take out this high, right? And this will confirm very likely for IP to be either accumulating or a break, or there could be continuous movement above $10. I suspect we're still going to come back down to 65. Why? Because there was a stray wick down here. So I think the whales will probably want to clear this stray wick on the gate, right? So yeah, again, we'll have to see how it goes. But for IP, not much for us to work with. Injective against USD. Here we are for Injective. I can also count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. Again, still under the skinny pink line, largely in a bearish trend. We still suspect that this low, will probably be taken out, right? Going down to 0.618. We've already passed 0.5. So, yeah, I still suspect there's more downside to come, right? If there was a strong rally, truly strong rally, it would look like this, right? We will zoom back up above the skinny pink line. Very strong rally, but it's not, you see. We're still under the skinny pink line. So, yeah, largely still in a bearish trend. The graph against USD, here we are for the graph. We are, again, also under the skinny pink line. No clear signs of there is actually. There is. There's an inverse head and shoulders over here. We've retested the support. Are we going to break back down or are we going to head towards the skinny pink line? It depends. But this is a small one. We would prefer it was a big one. But anyway, I suspect we're still going to go a little bit higher for GRT. Should GRT break under the support, clearing this low, then very likely GRT is going to go much lower. DEXE, okay, DEXE, I'm still more likely than not expecting it to go to 950. We have another target, $9 fresh out of the oven. So this is a, ladies and gentlemen, descending triangle. Mountain 1, mountain 2, double-headed mountain. And after that, I think we're going down to $9. Could we go on here? Yes, of course. But I still expect us to break back under the skinny pink line. After we break $9, I suspect we're going to clear all of these sell clusters and drop to potentially this noisy area over here at sub $6. I suspect that's what's going to happen, right? And, you know, DEXE could actually be in a very, very big ABCD, very big. Right, we're about to cross the skinny pink line, so DEXE is very, 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 very bearish in my opinion. Super bearish. So be very, very careful. THETA against USD. Here we are for THETA. THETA is, yes, there's a rally, but there's only 1, 2, 3, 4. So I suspect another wave up potentially coming on for THETA, another higher high. But this, in my opinion, should be a wave 5. So yeah, but we're still largely in a downward trend under the skinny pink line. No clear signs of a bullish reversal yet for THETA. Grass against USD. Here we are for grass. Okay, here we are for grass. Again, grass could actually go both ways because this is a symmetrical triangle. Should grass go higher and we just hang around here, very likely this will be the ascending triangle completion as grass hits beyond $5. If grass comes back down all the way here, this would be the mountain range where grass drops lower to clear these lows. So it depends on the price action, right? Right now, it's not the price to be buying. Now is the time to be selling, to be honest. I'm expecting a higher high to come on for grass, and then yeah, I think this is a shortable type of a move. Potentially. So that's grass for you. We're gonna do AIOZ. AIOZ against USD. Here we are for AIOZ. We are above the skinny pink line. We still have yet to clear this high. All right, this is something like a head and shoulders. The reason why there's a strong rally is because the right shoulder is quite weak, right? But we're above it. We still have our 11 cents target. We still think this is a possibility. AIOZ could just drop lower. At what point will we consider the 11 cents target to be invalidated? Take out this high. So yeah, there's a strong rally right because stop at the noisy area over here, right at the top, and after that pump, strong rally. So yeah, there is support over here. The only thing is that I suspect AIOZ could also be doing something like this. There's a long C coming down. So the 11 cents target stands for now. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 10 AI coins outside of the top 50. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.